Okay, we're here now, the stakeholders for Alforno, sir. First of all, congratulations for your team. They came now at first now, and of course, clinching first, the first semi-final seat in their league. Any word, sir, about your team? Any word about your team, sir?
Fought well, and
Okay.
earlier they were down, but they fought well.
Yeah, really. Are you little rattled? At the earlier stage, they were down, then they tried to crawl back.
Our strength is in the third and fourth quarter.
I see.
We love the third quarter.
I see. You're the third quarter people, huh? Okay. Sir, any words, sir? And also, how you think about it? You're about to wait now your opponent on the semifinals, sir.
I think all the teams in the semi-final will win.
Okay.
We have played many tournaments.
Yeah, strong competition.
Okay, with you po, sir. Congratulations, sir. And also, good luck to your team in the semis, ha? 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much.